When you want to organize all of your jobs in your job directory, you can do so using custom views. Here I am on my job directory, and when I go to click into that gear icon, we get a side drawer that pulls out. There are multiple ways that we can edit this view using the 4 tabs here: Details, Fields, Sort, and Filters. Fields tell us which columns are turned on and off, and we can use the double-headed arrow to move the fields. All of these fields are automatically collected information from our jobs, plus all of the custom fields that you have created in your settings. You turn this green toggle on or off to go ahead and add them. Over in Sort, you can choose any of your fields to sort by, and you can sort by them in ascending or descending order using this up or down arrow. If you don't want to be sorting by that field anymore, you can click that red X and just go to add a different field. Over in Filters, this is how you can include and exclude certain jobs. So if we go into Filter, you can choose any field, and then depending on the field that you choose, you'll have different options with what to do with it. So for example, we can say name, is exactly, contains, is less than, is greater than. We have many different options. Also, if we do scheduled published, that's yes, no, exists, does not exist. There's a lot that you can play with. Something that's important to know is that on the filters, you can keep adding more by using and or. If you choose and, then that means you're going to only be seeing jobs that have both filters applied to them. So if we do scheduled published is yes, and something else, we're only seeing jobs with both those filters. If we choose or, that means either. So if we do scheduled published is yes, or another filter, we're seeing jobs where either filter applies to them. If you go on over into your view dropdown at the top left of your job directory, you're able to see your personal and your organizational views. Some of the most used custom views are ones that JobTread has already prepared for you. You can go on down to WIP Report to go ahead and see a quick look at a lot of your finances here. And this is already prepared for you, and it's not using any custom fields. So you can go ahead and on day 1, this will already be set up for you. So here we're looking at projected price, many of our cost columns, some of our variance, and some more items about our schedule and our profit here. So this is just a great overview of our finances going on in our organization. There's another view that's already been created for you. Again, we'll go into that view dropdown and go on over into Pipeline. Here at Pipeline, we're looking at a Kanban view of our jobs in their status. So here I can see all my jobs that are at new lead, appointment set, estimating, and so on. If I need to move one job to another phase of the project, I can do so. So I can click on this kitchen remodel and drag it on over into estimating, and that's been moved along. This view is automatically created for you, but you do have to have a specific custom field in order for this to show for you. If we go into that gear icon, we can see that this view was created by grouping by the custom field of status and then viewing as a Kanban. So this custom field of status is one that's already prepared for you in your custom fields under the suggested list. And so if you turn that on, then you'll be able to access this custom view. If you don't turn that on, then you can replicate this view by creating your own custom field to something similar to status. And then after grouping by that custom field, going to the Kanban view. And then you'll have your own version of this pipeline view. So those are 2 really useful views that are already created for you, and you can create as many as you would like for personal or organizational use by using these different tabs. Whenever you create one, you can go down to Share with Organization to share it out if you don't want it to be personal, and in your view dropdown, you'll see the division of personal or organizational views, and when you hover over the name of one, you can click that star icon to make that view your default view every time you go to your job directory. If you have other questions about custom fields, custom views, or jobs, be sure to check out our help desk for all of our articles and videos there. Plus, your customer success manager is always there for you, so feel free to reach out to them. Plus, you can email us, support@jobtread.com. Thank you.